Good morning. This is my first lecture on the topic the cell. In this video, I will tell you about cell as a structure and function unit of life and the discovery of cell. So as you all know that every living beings, whether they all are plants, animals or humans, are made up of cell. So a cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organisms. Cells are also called building blocks of life. Why they are called building blocks of life? Because a cell can live independently on its own and it can perform all the life processes which a body organ can perform. So, if any function performed by an organism is due to the presence of cell in it and due to the activity of cell in its body. For example, if you are moving, so it is because your ability of your muscle cell to contract and relax. And on the other hand, if we take the example of plants also absorb water and other nutrients from the soil, so it is done by the activity of cell. So at the last, I want to tell you that cells are very minute and cannot be seen by the naked eyes. Okay, then you can see the picture of a cell. So every cell comes from its pre-existent cell. Okay, so now we will discuss about the discovery of cells. So cells were not discovered until the invention of the microscope. So first I want to tell you about Robert Hooke. In front of you can see the picture of Robert Hooke. He was an English scientist. He discovered two lenses, compound microscope. Okay, and what does he did? That he studied a thin slice of cork under his microscope. What is cork? Cork is found or is obtained from the bark of the tree. Okay, then he actually observed dead cells. So he named it cell. When he studied about the cork, so he found some small box-like structures in it. So he named it cell. One more thing I want to tell you, that the cell is derived from the Latin word cellula, which means small compartment. And Robert Hooke, he discovered or he named the cell for first time in 1665. He discovered the compound microscope. You can see the picture. It is a compound microscope which has two lenses. Okay. And before Robert Hooke, one Anton van Leeuwenhoek was there. So he discovered the first simple microscope which was only of a single lens. He was a Dutch scientist and was born in 1632 and died in 1723. Okay, then I want to show you the picture of simple microscope, which is like this. So the use of this microscope was that Anton van Leeuwenhoek was enabled to see blood cells in the capillaries of the foot of the frog. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, that organisms are divided into two parts. One is unicellular organism and the other is multicellular organisms. Unicellular means that are made up of only a single cell, and multicellular means that are made up of more than one cell or many cells. So the example of unicellular is amoeba, and for the example of multicellular is humans, animals or plants, anything. So with this we complete with today's video. In the next video we will talk about the diversity in cells, their shape, size and number. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.